Hauzik Pau Sandokna Pizari Information and Public Relation IPR Loishangna Miyamda Matam Chana E Pau Yohanbata Natana Leingak na Paikhatpa scheme Kayagi Matangda Matamatamgi Miyamda awareness Piduna Lakli Haina Manipur Leingak ki Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel na Fongdokre Yaipha Chuthekta Laiba DIPR ge auditorium danga si humfudra taret suba Information and Public Relation Day gi Thourang pangthokre Leingak asigi IPR Secretary Humyo Warsang amadi hanagi IPR gi Commissioner M Joy yaungna pangthokiba thoram aduda Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel na makhatana hai Leingak asigi Information and Public Relation IPR loishangna Miyamda I pau khak sandokpa natana Leingak na paikhat kadaba anoba policy program amadi Miyam gi damak Leingak asina paikhaliba thabak thoram Kayagi Matangdasu mayek sengna khangalaga lakli Chahi asiga August ki tang amada e-gazette hangdoktuna Leingak ki oiba notice sing Miyamda transparency laina khanghanba hokre Chahi asiga August ki tang mangada media and public information gi matangda workshop su pangthoki mahangna makhata na hai matam amadadi ayukta pauche lakpa ngairaga madudagi leibaki oiba I pau sing khangnarami adubu haujikte social media da tongan ma platform kaya thorakpa maramna khudak I pau sing khangba ngamnare anoba digital gi matam asidasu IPR na achoba thodang lauraga miyamna marik chumba I pau sing fanghalaga lakli masimag democracy chatpa leibak amadadi miyamda chauna kanaba pibangami haina Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel na Fongdokhi Thourang gi sarukama oina tongan ba thim mangada miyamda awareness piba oina pangthokiba short film competition da makong mathang takhraba singda certificate amadi sel gi manapi duna pukning thogatkhi
Public relations is not just about informing, but also about listening. The department gathers citizens' views and concerns, helping shape policies that are responsive to the people's needs, strengthening the feedback system. This year marks a significant chapter in public communication in Manipur. On August 1st, we reached a major milestone with the launch of e-Gazette portal, which has fully digitized the publication of government notification. This has enhanced efficiency, transparency, and accessibility, ensuring that vital information is now available to every citizen at the click of a button. Shortly after, on August 5, Imphal had the honor of hosting the National Conference on Coordination with the states in media and public communication. The conference addressed crucial themes such as countering misinformation, strengthening center-state coordination, and enhancing communication capacity. The ideas shared have guided towards building a more responsive, ethical, and citizen-centric communication network.